And I'm back with another video. So first I want to welcome everybody who's new to my channel. Welcome to the fam. Welcome back for everyone who's already, been a part of the fam and watched my videos, been here with me for a minute. Welcome back. Today y'all, we about to cook. Okay, we about to cook. Yes, cooking videos are back. And I'm about to cook for y'all some vegan tacos. So they about to be real bomb, real good, real tasty. And so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Actually, pause the video. Do it right now. Like this video right now. Comment below, say something, whatever. Say, what's your favorite food? What should I cook next? I don't know, comment something below. And then subscribe and share it to your friends. And turn your notification bells on so you can make sure you're aware when I post a video every single time. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay guys, this is what I'm working with. I have some baby spinach, I have some mushrooms, I have a red onion, I have 3 different colored onions, red, yellow, and orange. I have a yellow onion, I have avocado, tomatoes, tortillas, yeah, lemons. So I also have some soaked walnuts, and these walnuts were soaking. And then I have some rice boiling on the stove. And then I have some, of course, taco seasoning, and then some of this meatless, meat-free ground. So we're gonna see what we're working with, y'all. First, I'm gonna start off by, and I have some black beans. So I have the peppers cut up, and I added some cilantro, and I cut the onions and peppers. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil on it, and then I'm gonna season it and simmer it. Okay guys, now I'm about to cut the mushrooms. I'm gonna put them in here, and then I'm gonna add the spinach with the mushrooms. First, I'm gonna rinse the mushrooms off a little bit. Okay y'all, so I use the same seasoning that I did, all the seasonings that I used for the peppers, I used for the mushrooms as well. So I'm gonna stir this up, put this on a low. I'm gonna maybe add a little more oil to it. I'm gonna get the mushrooms going. Peppers over here looking tasty. So yep, there we go. Okay y'all, now I'm about to put these walnuts. I'm about to rinse or drain them with this little drainer. I don't know if I can do this at the same time, so I'll have to put the camera down. All right, they're drained. Now I'm about to take them over to the pan. Boom. All right. Yum, yum, yum. There we go. Okay, so I'm about to boil these walnuts because they're not soft enough, so I'm about to boil them until they start boiling. The rice is almost done. 13 seconds up on the clock. Got the peppers over here looking scrumptious, delicious. Y'all can buy it. Well, I also added some garlic and herb seasoning. There we go. So I added some garlic and herb seasoning. And this is from Pampered Chef. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check out some of their seasonings. Oh, the mushrooms over here, y'all, doing what they do. Oh, look at that, y'all. Looking like just so delicious. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the spinach in here. Okay guys, so I'm about to make the salsa with the mango, tomatoes, onion, and yeah. I'm gonna save one of the tomatoes for the guacamole. But yeah. So y'all, we got the mango salsa. I'm just putting some lime juice on it. Squeezing some lime. We got the red onion and the tomatoes. Then I'm gonna make the guacamole next. So squeezing this lime in there. Mix it all up. Then I added chili powder, salt, pepper to this.
So I'm using a fork to like crunch up the walnuts into the fake meat, and I'm about to put this taco seasoning on.